The Hawk and the Nightingale. Once upon a time, there was a hawk flying through the night sky. Now, hawks are very big and very strong birds. And hawks eat smaller animals, like smaller birds. And the hawk was hungry and looking for food. And as the hawk flew, it saw a nightingale. Now, nightingales are small birds. They're very small, but they're very beautiful. And nightingales are famous for their beautiful music. Nightingales can sing. When birds chirp, we say birds sing. And they sing such a beautiful song. But unfortunately for this poor nightingale, the hawk saw it, and the hawk was hungry. So the hawk flew down and grabbed the nightingale with its claws. The claws are like the hands or the feet of birds. So he grabbed the nightingale, and the nightingale realized that it was about to be eaten. So the nightingale said, "Please, Mr. Hawk, don't eat me. My song is too beautiful for me to die." The nightingale said, "Why, even the king listens to my song." The nightingale would sing outside of the castle window, and the king would listen to the nightingale's song. And the hawk said, "What good is a song? I'm hungry. Is a song going to fill my stomach?" And the nightingale began to panic. And the nightingale said, But I am too small for you. I won't fill up your stomach either. You want a bigger bird, because nightingales are very small." And the hawk said, "But I have you now, and I am hungry now. If I let you go, maybe I will not find another bird. I have to eat what I catch now." And so that was the end of the poor nightingale. It's sad to say, but the hawk ate the nightingale. The moral of this story is, you cannot bargain with someone who is stronger than you. Now, what does bargain mean? Bargain, for example, if I go to a shop and I want to buy something, and the shop seller says it's $100, and I say, "Oh, 100, no, that's too much. I'll give you $5. And the shopkeeper says, $5 is too cheap. I'll give it to you for $80. And I say, "No, what about $20? And the shopkeeper says, "Okay." And we shake hands, and I buy it for $100. I have bargained. Now, we can bargain with someone who is at an equal level with us. So the shopkeeper and me are equal, so I can bargain. But if the police come to my house and say, "You have to give us $100, I can't bargain. The police are in a higher position than me. They are stronger than me. So I think this is true in any situation. If someone is stronger than you, or they have something that you need, you cannot bargain with them. But what do you think? Do you agree with the moral of this story?